The BBC's Olympic coverage will be the most comprehensive ever, not just on TV, but all digital platforms. It's a big ambition, and at the heart of it is online video.
What we're trying to do is build a brand new video experience for our users, which we're calling the Intelligent Video Player. And what that does is three really important things. It enables our users to watch really high quality video on their computers. It enables them to switch seamlessly between those 24 simultaneous live streams, but also adds that BBC layer of understanding. So if they're watching the taekwondo or the trampolining, that by the use of data, that they can totally understand what it is that they're watching.
A starting point in defining requirements was to look at how other broadcasters had put video and live data together around sporting events. A business analyst then documented high-level features.
One of the first things that we did was look around at the market, saw what features were possible, and then we expanded upon that feature set to build out our high-level feature set. And we, in fact, did some simple use case analysis to draw a diagram much like this. I presented this to the product manager. During that session we were able to elicit some additional features that I'd missed. Then later on we went and prioritised this.
In drawing out the top-level features, this process also revealed the complexity of what needed to be built, and so the next step was to look for outside help, companies that had integrated timelines and data before. Following a procurement process, Delta Tray was selected to build the player and integrate it with the BBC's infrastructure. The BA plays a crucial role in breaking down these requirements further into tasks. Here, the relationship with the user experience teams is critical. Ambitious designs need to be informed by what's feasible, and the business analyst is able to bring a detailed understanding of both the availability of data and the end-to-end technical process. Rigour up front saves time and effort later.
One of the high-level requirements from the product manager is that the intelligent video player has to behave correctly on different screen sizes. So we would have started with some information about the graphic safe area, and then translated that into detailed requirements. So I've written a feature here called Dynamically Adaptable Interface. I've included a user story and some detailed acceptance criteria. I then include those acceptance criteria inside of tickets within our instance of Jira, and we have a workflow set up where I, as a business analyst, am responsible for the analysis queue, and then once I have written a feature, I move that feature into the approval column for our product manager to check.
Having a business analyst working on the project is absolutely invaluable because it means that I can be freed up to work on all the other product manager responsibilities like the stakeholder analysis and the audience insight and the business need. And I know that my business analyst can get straight into the fine detail of the requirements.
As we kind of discussed earlier, we've got our release for the IVP plan across the top, and we've got our features for the IVP and green tickets.
The Olympics project has 7 work streams and significant dependencies between the different groups. BAs work to drill down into the detail, here working with other teams to coordinate, test and delivery plans.
Theoretically, you can set up Marvin on any of them.
I think we've just planned out the sprint, haven't we, which starts on Monday for 2 weeks.
Clarifying, checking, communicating. These are all essential skills for the business analyst.
On a program of this size, business analysts are really at the core of the Scrum teams. They interact with all the other disciplines and often act as translators between business and technology-minded people. So the business analysts have been working in a very structured way. They are able to make sure that we build the right products in the right way and build those products that they map to our original goals.